Hey guys, welcome to Tranquil Bujo. Let's set up September in my bullet journal. The theme for this month is seashells. Let's start by painting the cover page for this month. This month is basically seashells, so I started by painting a pair of conches on the beach. I've used pink for the inner parts of the conch and yellow and burnt sienna for the conches themselves. The sky is mainly made out of cerulean blue and the sea is ultramarine blue. If you like more bullet journal videos and art videos, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. For the sand on the beach, I've used yellow ochre. Let's start setting up the spreads for September. For the monthly spread, I've started by drawing the grid for the calendar and filling out the dates. I've decorated the empty spaces with a few shells of various types. I've also added a YouTube and Instagram growth tracker. The main colors for the month are blues, pinks and earthy browns, so I've painted the shells with the same colors. The next spread is the habit tracker, which I use to track the things that I do on a regular basis, like my workouts. The aligner page is mainly used to summarize my day in a line. I usually write about what felt good about that day or how the day went. The next page is a quote page. The quote reads, "The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it." For the mood tracker, I've used the ridges on the shells to represent each day and different colors to represent the moods for that day. Finally, let's set up the first week of September. I've gone for a mainly vertical spread with graphs to track my sleep and hydration. I've also added a small weather tracker in the side and tucked a few shells behind the spread. Now, finally, let's paste the cover page in the beginning and trim out the excess for the final flip through. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.